The condensation in the air clings to my winter coat as my back nestles into the grooves that line your chest. My ears ring with symphonies. The dance between the sunlight and leaves speaks to me, suggests to my heart that I cry. Who am I in the scheme of this whole thing? What is my life if I don't let beauty in? My notebook breathes with me, clearly sees my internal workings, while this perfect friend's imperfections hover over me, as though nothing is ever wrong and never will be.